Hello and welcome to this troubleshooting guide on how to address the issue of not receiving the WhatsApp verification code. This can be a frustrating experience, but we're here to help you resolve it. Before you do anything, ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A poor or unstable connection can lead to issues with receiving SMS or calls, which are how WhatsApp sends verification codes. If you haven't received the SMS verification code after a reasonable amount of time, WhatsApp will provide an option to receive the code via a voice call. Wait for this option to appear and then select it. If you continue to have trouble receiving the verification code, make sure that the phone number you've entered is correct, including the country code. A simple mistake in the number can cause issues. WhatsApp usually gives you the option to request a new verification code via SMS or call after a certain time. If you haven't received the code yet, use this option to resend it. Sometimes your mobile carrier might block certain SMS messages, which could include the verification code. Contact your carrier to inquire if this is the case and ask them to unblock these messages. If the issue persists, you might want to try using a different phone number for the verification. This can help identify whether the problem is with your number or the WhatsApp service. If all else fails, reach out to WhatsApp support for assistance. They can provide guidance and potentially help you resolve the issue. We hope this step-by-step guide has helped you troubleshoot and resolve the issue of not receiving your WhatsApp verification code. Remember that patience and double-checking your details are key to a successful verification. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching.